Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my friend and brother. It goes by the name, Volleyball!
That's how we're doing, man. Just go back. You know, have fun now. I call you, you don't pick my call. You go need help, oh. This governorship, you need our support. I go call you now, pick. Pick, oh. You will pick this call now, where they did. You will save her, my helper. Dino, the number busy. Hold on, I'll call you again. And as you pick up, just say, my guy, what's up? Dino, now madam, hold this number. I'll call. Hello?
Hello.
My guy, how you doing?
I get some money from you.
No worry, I go help you, I go help you. Save am, you go need them, save am. Because that to give back to no go easy, oh. Now the governor there, he know well, oh. He be like, the guy passing grace, so you need to prepare. But that guy, they do boots and only have the box inside for house. You need to carry 4 pounds and follow your body, oh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, what's hype about Regina? What's hype about this girl? Oh, chill, relax. Calm down. I see differently, calm down. I'm angry. You know why? Nigerians are freaking hypocrites. And it's sad. All of us here, most of us, our mama married at 17. Let this girl be. The man marry am. Any which way, the man for still the. Oh, he marry am. My sister, hold your man, oh. All these girls where they have you, you go shop. If you snap, they go take over. Oh. And this girl is strong. Small girl of. Make man, they wear sneakers. You're strong. Yeah? I believe you. See, husband's cast. If you hold any man, we won't hold him. My sister, hold your home. These are your friends. They're fresh, though. I'm going to show that table. Hello? The yellow one with tattoo. On blue. Hey, don't do like I'm here. You need a young guy. Igbo guy. Metal guy. Baby, excellent time. John Fashion, make some noise for John Fashion, man. Great guy. We love you, but you don't play for us, no? You go play for England. Now you're here. Now we they love you now. Oh, you go free you, but we love you. Nice. It's good. Regina, love you, man. Hold on. I know the. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this country don't vex me. Walk no day. The boys where they walk, police they. You know you dey here. If they come for me, I will just jump as you jump. Police they disturb boys. Small Naramali, oh, small boy from Lagos for the husband. Go see me see trouble. Am I a young? They lock up. They just leave him last week. You know, sir, that boy don't ever see anything concerning G or Ya. Even in email, if you ask him what, www. Sir! But now he's out. He won't follow. I tell you something here. Go and know for sure. Men from Nigeria will try. Take your living. Outside Africa, we are dogs. If you go Kenya, just hear our accent, say we Nigeria, they cheap. Look at you. Are you from Nigeria? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on, take it. Nigerian men will spend fire. Yet, you come here and we do us anyhow. Women, on a birthday, men, they close eye, buy land, buy motor, buy una Ferrari. No, this guy is 2 months married, 7 cars. Yet, now the serious, they do anyhow. Then, man, the one do birthday. All these wicked girls. Now go get man. Buy him singlet and handkerchief. Him na dancer. Women, change. Today I challenge you. I put it to you. Husband's birthday. Break the chain. Break the jeans. Break the yoke. Change the style. Buy a motor. Buy a land. If you don't take, bring them. We go collect her from him. It's not fair. Because we're trying, man. Okay? One day you for this table. 9 women, 1 man. Is everything okay? You get family problem?
Are you serious?
Look at the ass. Oh, that's your wife. Oh, your wife and your wife friends. You know, you get mine though. You bring your friends. By this time, with your husband. Well, are you Igbo? You're by yourself. No wonder you can swim. So you swim your way out the top when it starts. That's nice. Chemo, so you bought table for your wife and her friends. You're a good man. Good man. Good man. Madam, this night you go do well for girl. You need to impress for the well. Chemo, shy guy. You're shy, right? You're shy. Let me do a face cap for night. Chama, Ibiza, how's work? You're shy too. You know, those days here, 80s, it was hard to woo a lady. Oyibo, what's up? How are you? Where are you from? As I was saying, you understand this life, eh? This life is no balance. And you let me call you Oyibo. And you are Lebanon, you let me call you Oyibo. Now let me waste my time and call you Oyibo. That's how you pat your hair and confuse our girls. I know your people now in Lagos. They are in VI. They say shawarma. Madam, they were low. These people. They were low, but they hold aside. Or kill them. Correct. Lebanon. I'm from the States. Anambra State. Just go back, man. Just got in, man. Lebanon. What do you do here? Sir? You put your voice down. Make people get visa talk. Calm down. That's why to go far go hard you. Sir, please, where you from? What do you do? What do you do? Which work you do work here? You have leg to walk. You walk back to Lebanon.